Hello everybody, my name is Mikael Christ and today I'm going to tell you one of the most memorable moments of my life. Without further ado, let's get into it. The sun was shining brightly on the morning of graduation day. Students in their gowns and jackets gathered nervously in the auditorium, waiting for the ceremony to begin. It had been 3 long years, but we had finally made it. As the graduation march played, the students filled the auditorium and took their seats. The excitement was palpable, and everyone was eager to receive their diplomas and start the next chapter of their lives. The principal welcomed the graduates and delivered a speech about the importance of education and the value of hard work. Finally, it was time to receive our diplomas along with the medal. As each student's names were called, they walked across the stage and received their diploma. After the ceremony, we spilled out onto the lobby, hugging and congratulating each other. Some took photos with family and friends, while others gathered in groups, reminiscing about their high school years and discussing their plans for the future. As the sun began to set, the graduates began to disperse, hugging each other one last time before heading home. It was a bittersweet moment, as we realized that our time in high school was now over, but also excited for the new opportunities and challenges that may lay ahead. In the end, graduation day was a celebration of our hard work, dedication, and achievements. We had overcome challenges, made lasting friendships, and grown into young adults ready to take on the world. As we walked out of the school gates for the last time, we knew that the memories of our high school years would stay with us forever.